Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the brick bloom seed in Heartopia. So Heartopia right now has a brand new event that called Modular Street, and in this event there's a special limited flower that called brick bloom flower. And here's how to get this seed easily. First, just go to the NPC block, this NPC, and then just talk to him, and then tap on gardening store, and then in here you can just see the festival limited flower seed. There are 3 different colors available. So from here later you can crossbreed them to unlock even more flower colors. And its seed pack costs only 30 coins. So you can easily buy multiple packs and start experimenting with new color combinations. And after that, just tap on the color that you want and then adjust the amount, and then just tap on purchase like this. And after that, just claim this seed and grow your own special event flower during this Modular Street event. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.